Hello there, you sleepyheads. Welcome to MedEd 360. Today, we're talking about sleep hygiene. No, not washing your pillow, although that's important too. We're diving into the habits that can transform you from a walking zombie to a well-rested champion. Ready? Let's go. Okay, first things first, why care about sleep hygiene? Well, bad sleep habits can leave you crankier than a toddler missing their nap. Lack of sleep affects your focus, mood, and even your health. It's like trying to run a car on an empty tank, it's just not happening. Let's talk about the sleep hygiene DOs. Stick to a schedule. Yes, even on weekends. Consistency is king. Create a wind-down routine, think reading, stretching, or meditating. No, TikTok doesn't count. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Your bedroom should feel like a sleep fortress. Now for the don'ts. Avoid caffeine later in the day unless of course you're studying for medical school finals. Don't scroll through your phone in bed, those memes can wait. Avoid heavy meals or vigorous exercise right before bed. Your body doesn't need that drama so late at night. Bonus time. Did you know naps can be a double-edged sword? Keep them under 30 minutes, or you might end up more disoriented than a chicken crossing the road. Oh, and if you're tossing and turning, get out of bed and do something relaxing until you're sleepy. No point in fighting the sheets. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to better sleep hygiene. Start putting these tips into practice and let me know if your mornings feel like a Disney musical. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MedEd 360 for more health hacks. Stay blessed, stay healthy, sweet dreams everyone.